say Temp-tations bowls. Bowls.
Bowls, bowls, bowls.
We always want bowls from Temp-tations. These are a lower profile. I like this.
And everybody loves this. Largest bowl set that we have. It's a 9-quart total capacity, and it's going to start with that 1.5 quart, the 3 quart, and the 4.5 quart. But here's what we love about these bowls. First of all, they all nest down inside of each other. They all have that plastic snap-on storage cover. Let me show you the biggest bowl. Beautifully scalloped all along the edge. I love it because even the outside has that beautiful detail. So labor intensive. Inside, the beautiful hand painting. Outside in floral lace, the beautiful etching and the beading at the top.
Is this what we've been doing?
Yeah,
I mean,
right?
not necessarily, it's functional, but not necessarily something that we want to put on the table.
Yeah.
So I'm going to tuck this back under the table and remind you that these are a featured price of $45.46.
Yeah.
But you get accessories with it too.
Yeah, so we give you the spoon and the fork, so you are truly the hostess with the mostest because everything matches. Just have to store that largest 4.5 quart bowl, great for pasta, Dan Mancini, right? And I love that you're getting 2 recipes. You're getting a blueberry feta salad, yum, and a fresh strawberry cobbler. So many of you asked for our cobbler recipes. Here it is.
Lovely.
Yep.
So 3 easy payments of $15.15. We have colors.
Colors, beautiful colors.
Gorgeous.
This was the floral lace blue. Then we have the floral lace green. Here's the light blue. And underneath there is...
Eggplant?
Thank you. You know how sometimes you... I know.
Yes, it's eggplant.
Sometimes the lights in here deceive you, so there is the eggplant. Then we have our 2 red choices. We have the bright red and we have the cranberry.
Okay.
Then we have the black. Think wedding gift, shower gift for this. Here's the spice, and then here's chocolate. And then we have one seasonal color only available right now, shamrock.
Gorgeous.
Look how pretty that is. So if you pick up the loaf pan, how great it would be to have the 3 bowls that match.
I have to tell you, I don't hate it all tiered up like this too. I mean, if I put little Temp-tations ramekins under there.
What a cute idea.
And then I'm making like a little cocktail sauce on the top, little shrimp around the
How
outside.
cute that would be.
I love it. It looks like a little fountain to
I
me.
was going to say, or floating candles in the top.
Yes.
That could be the centerpiece of your table. You are fancy, girl. Jeez,
Well,
I did not know.
Doesn't take
Then over here, your old world choice, the beautiful beading and scalloping at the top. Here's the black. Here's Mary's color.
Love the spice.
She's a spice girl. Underneath that is the brown.
I'm kitchen spice. Sorry.
There's posh, there's sporty, and there's kitchen. Here's the blue, red,
She rides in the back of the bus.
and that's
with the
cranberry.
snacks. She likes to sit near the cooler. Okay.
She's next to the refrigerator. Then we have the green. Here's the confetti that combines all of our Temp-tations colors. There's that beautiful eggplant. And you know what, Mary, like eggplant when you think about the Easter holidays coming up, really pretty because these could be your Easter baskets. And brand new, the only seasonal color that we have in Old World, it's the spring fetty. So oh, it's all your sorbet colors combined. It's just gorgeous.
And remember too, when we see a seasonal color,
yes,
when that seasonal color sells out, you won't see it again until the season next year.
Right.
Our Temp-tation sets that we love our bakers, we love our dinnerware sets, we love our mug sets, but we are always looking for the accessory of bowls. But these bowls can come out of the oven, they can come out of the freezer, they can go right into the dishwasher. You can put them in the refrigerator and they go right to the table for that beautiful presentation. It's no fuss because Temp-tations has already worked this all out for us.
Yeah, exactly. And a huge customer request for bowls, #1 customer request. And why? Because our bowls are bakers. So when you think about those, thanks, Mayor, those big pasta dishes that you can now do, instead of using a 9x13, this is just a little more elegant, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a little more upscale when you bring it to the table, but bowls are so functional because this is naturally nonstick.
Right.
Goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, and we brush over that. That means it can go in the broiler. So you could do a big thing in nachos or tachos in here, right? But because stoneware keeps cold, nice big fruit salads, nice big trifles. There's just so many great things about it. But here's how you take a 9-quart capacity and turn it into a meal. So we have our pasta in the 4.5 quart. Then in the 3 quart, we have our Mama Mancini meatballs. And then in the 1.5 quart, look at that, Mary. Come on, sausage and peppers.
It sounds delicious. I'm going to go ahead and get the bread started.
Thank you.
If you don't mind. I'm using all 3 of the bowls up top for the shamrock pattern.
I love that.
It's so cute.
I
Can I
love
put
that.
the raisins in here?
Just do it all. Come on. I love, you're like me. Dump and go.
Wait, sorry, I forgot a few.
Right.
Sorry.
Hard to believe you can do this in a hand-painted bowl, isn't it?
That's right.
Yeah.
And you know what, too? The fact that you can take it all the way around to the edges and not have to worry about damaging anything. I mean, that is the beauty of Temp-tations. You see Temp-tations a lot on my social media, and this set is one that when it comes to bowls, I don't really get to see the low profile of these bowls very often, but let's take a look at the finished one.
Yeah, the fact that it's literally going to just pop out just like so. But let's remember why Temp-tations was created, really to have those memories back around the table, Mary. You know, it's so fantastic.
1.5 quart, 3 quart, and a 4.5 quart bowl, all in that beautiful low profile. This is the floral lace blue, okay?
Yes.
Floral lace green is next.
Yes.
And I'm wearing green, so it's perfect. I'm standing right behind it. Then we have light blue eggplant. Don't forget you get the tools with it too.
And 2 recipes.
Thank you. We have the red cranberry, black spice chocolate, shamrock.
So amazing,
I feel like I have
right?
to whisper it because it's so cool that it's here. We have the Old World in the black, spice brown, blue, red cranberry, green confetti, and the blue. Nope, that's purple eggplant. Then we have spring confetti there at the very end. About 4 people shouted eggplant in my ears. It made me giggle. So we do have Easy Pay here. The Easy Pay I cannot see. 3 easy payments of $15.15.
I see it now.
That's why it's a whole team effort.
Yeah, got it.
I can't see a thing anymore.
Oh, please.
Love you.
Oh, Mary, what a great show. And congratulations to you and your entire team.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They are amazing.
I know that.
And keep it lots of fun. We have our last item in the show today.